So the Kia has recently unveiled their first compact SUV in the Indian auto market, that is the Kia Sonet, and their second SUV in the Indian auto market after the Seltos. So based on the Hyundai Venue, it comes with aggressive features and some exceptional and class-leading features. At the first glance, the Kia Sonet looks astonishing. Coming to the front, there is a crown jewel effect in the headlamps and the trademark tiger nose grille, which perfectly suits to the front, and depending upon the model, that is the GT line or the Tech line, you get different bumpers. So coming to the side, there are 16-inch alloy wheels which perfectly fills the wheel arches and looks sporty, especially in the GT line model. And also the roof line, the C-pillar perfectly merged ever so slightly with the roof. Coming to the rear, there is a light bar which connects to tail lamps, and also there are some touches which make the car more aggressive and sporty looking, like fake diffuser and fake exhaust outlets. So coming in 10 colors, the Kia Sonet looks much better in every angle than the Hyundai Venue, which on its best. So coming to the interior, the front seats are immensely supportive, and also there is enough space for 2 adults at the rear, but you can squeeze the third adult, but there will not be much space for the third adult, so he will not be that much comfortable. There is enough legroom considering the size of the SUV, but you do get a rear AC vent, which is a must-have feature in the Indian auto market, and also you get a sunroof which enlightens the interior ambience. You get front and rear armrest, and also you get bottle holder in each door. And coming to the boot space, the exact figure hasn't revealed yet, but as it is based on the Hyundai Venue, the boot space will be much more similar to the Hyundai Venue, but you can squeeze 2 large side suitcases and 2 soft bags in the boot. So coming to the features, the Kia has packed the Sonet with some exceptional and class-leading features, and some of them are first in segment. You get front ventilated seats, you get sunroof, you get a 7-speaker Bose system in which there are 4 speakers, 1 at each door. You get 2 tweeters at the front and 1 subwoofer in the boot. You get 10.25-inch infotainment system with UO car connectivity, LED headlamps to name a few. Coming to the safety, the Kia Sonet is packed with safety features. You get 6 airbags, you get front and rear parking sensors, you get tire pressure monitoring system, you get ABS, you get EBD to name a few. So coming to the engine and transmission option, the Kia Sonet will have the same engine and transmission option as the Hyundai Venue. So you get 1 liter turbo petrol engine, 1.2 liter petrol engine which is naturally aspirated, and also a 1.5 liter diesel engine. Comes in various states of tune. So you get manual and automatic transmissions with them, and also an IMT transmission which is newly introduced in the Venue. So you will get that too in the Kia Sonet. So what is my verdict on the Kia Sonet? So the Kia has brought another blockbuster product in the Indian auto market, and it's a compact SUV. So launching in the September 2020, the Kia Sonet is better looking than its competition. It has more unique features than the competition, and also it feels much more premium inside, apart from the stupid buttons at the center of the dash and a childish pedo console for the driver. So the Sonet comes with variety of BS6 petrol and diesel engine options which are mated to the manual, automatic and an IMT gearbox. So it's the baby Seltos in true manner, the way it looks, the feature it offers, and also the premium feeling you get when you step inside any Kia car, and also the quality of material is also top notch. And if you are looking for a compact SUV, then you must include the Kia Sonet, or even you can directly go and buy the Kia Sonet. It's that good.